So the next thing we're going to do is to lock the standoffs in place in relation to the board that they're securing. And we do this with what's called a joint. So we'll first do it with the Arduino, and then after that we'll do it for the 1-inch PCB. So first thing to do is to turn off the 1-inch PCB, and we'll also turn off the base by clicking this icon next to body 1. So we just have the Arduino visible. So we're going to rotate this to the underside here and zoom in. And then let's choose assemble and then joint. And then we're going to choose this mounting hole right here and click on the black circle. Okay, so now let's hide the Arduino and bring back the base. Alright, and then this standoff here that hole of the Arduino fits through, we have to make that the other side of the joint. So let's zoom in on that. And right there on the black circle, let's click. And if you're successful, you get that E symbol. And so let's click OK. And then let's put the Arduino back. And now if we try to move the Arduino, see, we can't move it. Okay, it's locked in place with that standoff, and therefore the standoff is locked in place. This is just a precaution to make sure the standoffs don't move at all before we do the last steps and print out a file that will eventually be the file that drives the 3D printer. Okay, so now let's do the same thing for the 1-inch square PCB. So let's turn that on. Let's turn the Arduino off. Also, let's turn off the base. Let's look at the bottom side of this board. Okay, and then we gotta pick joint again. Okay, and we want to click on, let's see when it turns to a dark circle. Or maybe in this case it's just the blue circle. Let's try the blue circle. Okay, so now let's turn this off, turn the body back on. Yeah, and it should be this standoff here, so again we gotta zoom in. And then right at the base, right there, the black circle. And we've got the E. Okay, if you get the E, that's good. Alright, so now let's put the board back. And let's see if we can move it. No, see, it's locked. And we can put the Arduino back there just to make sure everything still looks the same. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video at this point and then pick up with what should be the final steps in the next video.